Abhishek, yes, hi. We have 2 more minutes. So today's agenda is simple. We will finalize what we have to do. I'm so happy that some dear colleagues have volunteered to join in. Uh, Good news is Hariharan sir also said, right, hi Abhishek Patek. Namaste sir. Namaste. For a senior, Hariharan sir himself said he wants to take some sessions, which is extremely good. I will also try to invite Moradian sir and Nimesh Rathod sir. Harish sir is already here. He's to my brother, right? Not my blood brother, but he always keeps helping me. Yeah, this thing is on now. Chat is enabled. So today we will finalize. We will finalize the syllabus so we can keep going. Hi Neeraj Bete, God bless you always. Hi Akash. Are Gani, hi. Hi. Aditya, hi. Ravi, hi. Pankaj, hi. Suresh, hi. Saurabh, hi. Gaurav, hi. Manish, hi. Dr. Vinod, hello, sir. Hello. Sir is an ENT and he is also a big management consultant from Cochin. Dr. Vinod, a doctor turned management consultant. Very interesting story. So, sir wanted to understand the reason for the stress and then he realized it is coming from business. So, today he is also a management coach. Hello, Vardhan Bete. Hi, Amit. Hi, Bache. You must be rocking, na? Agriculture doing very well. God bless. Hi, Uttam Bete. 1 more minute, we'll get going. Right. I think I miss saying namaste to some colleagues. Hello, Vardhan. Hi, Vikram Bete. Hi, Hare. This is again a teacher, right? A good soft skill person. So thank you very much for joining in. The agenda will be set today. Shantanu, hello, Bete. Right. Babi, Bete, there is no GFMB here now. It is only a teacher trying to give something back to society. So everybody is welcome. I'm very clear about this. In fact, earlier SP Jain is also welcome. Okay, that's why I didn't write anything about SP Jain. Everybody is welcome. This is challenging times. Tomorrow we may all be dead here. I don't understand. Amolji, namaste. Right? I don't understand the stupid thinking. There's nothing now. As a teacher, we will go ahead, and a lot of good people are joining this movement, like Harish sir, Hariharan sir, etc. Thank you, Bede Neeraj. Thank you very much. So we'll start exactly at 7:30 as always. Namaste, Abhishek. Namaste, sir. So we start. I'll need a lot of chat comments coming in. Okay. I'm not going to tell you the number, but I'm happy with the number. As I told my wife, I'll be okay even if 10 people come in. We have 200. So I'm very happy. Right. And I'm okay with that. Okay. Those who missed my sessions, I'll post videos. Okay. Those who missed my sessions, I'll post videos. Okay. I just need one guy to come in to feel motivated. तो अगर कोई भी नहीं आएगा तो चलेगा. मेरा बच्चे से मैं join करा दूंगा Zoom और class लेके video में post कर लूंगा. So I got 200 times of what I wanted. Thank you. So we start. Sir, you'll have to enable my screen sharing. Anto. So agenda is very simple. We will set. Dr. Vigyan Verma, thank you, sir. The dean of the director of Syscoms. Namaste, sir. A very dear colleague. Earlier in industry, now into academics. Sir was working with an FII earlier. Very senior person. Hello, sir. Anto, please enable my screen sharing. The platform is Menon Mantras, which is a Section 8 company. As dear Rajashri said that it is a social foundation for financial literacy. Hello, Rushit Bete, hi. This Dr. Menon means somebody senior. Hello, sir. Radhakrishnan. Hello, sir. Radhakrishnan, sir, is the ex-CGM of State Bank of India. Very senior person. Chief General Manager of State Bank of India. Yes, I got my screen sharing. Okay. Thank you. I'm now starting the class. As always, here we go. Krishna. Screen share. Okay, as always, my first slide always remains the same. Dr. Shrikant, my mentor, Parimal sir, SPJ students. When I say SPJ, it is everybody. Syscoms also welcome. Thank you very much. Everybody welcome. Super leaders, consulting clients. I see a lot of businessmen here. Neeraj is doing extremely well. Right, respected teachers, mentors, well-wishers. Thank you very much. This is an exercise I'm doing free of cost. First question I got from some people is it free? It's obviously free. Why am I doing it? I don't know. The idea is to help you all in challenging times. So what are we doing now? I will keep enabling that. So you have to give me your feedback. My son is going to note all the, today we are finalizing the contents so that I can get launched. Okay. So what is this entire thing about? This is about corporate finance and business valuations. So I'm very clear what I'm going to do with you all is very simple. I'm going to take corporate finance and more importantly, business valuations. Okay. So I'm going to start with corporate finance. I'm going to follow what is called as the EIC approach, right? Economic analysis, followed by industry analysis, and then finally ending up with company analysis. So that's the agenda. How many sessions? It keeps going and on. I initially had planned 20 odd sessions, but now Hariharan sir, Moradian sir all coming in. I think this is going to go on. Economic analysis will include both lead and lag factors. So we will also talk about post-mortem analysis, and we will also try and forecast. So one forecast is very clear. Inflation is going to go up very simply, right? When nobody knows. So that is the amount of liquidity that is being pumped in, right? Inflation is going to go up. Take pen, paper. Okay. Industry analysis is the Michael Porter's 5 force model. I've been using this in SBI caps and I want to do this. And finally, company analysis, which involves ratios. One feedback I got from, I think, Radhakrishnan sir is that, I should include the key management ratios which bankers use. I will be including that. Okay. So I'm going to draw upon Peter Drucker, who according to me is the management guru, right pen. Is the management guru, and then we will keep talking practical aspects, and that I call it as Menon Mantras. Okay, so this I believe is what is the takeaway, the Menon Mantras, which is the application. Okay, where is it useful? Very simple. It can be used for equity research, stock analysis, for drawing up business plans by entrepreneurs. Very simple. So Neeraj is to be entrepreneur. I want him to use it. Business owners, Sumit I think is there, right? He can use it. Simar would be there definitely. And finally, there are a lot of managers. Placements is going to be tough. So I want to empower people by, right, when they go to industry, they should be industry ready. So this new generation, I forget her name, Cheryl, right? So these are a new generation of kids who are coming in, and placements are going to be tough. People are losing jobs. So, right, I want them to be industry ready. Okay, so this is my target audience. Somebody said, can a 11th standard kid join? My answer is yes. As long as you are understanding what I'm explaining, I have no problems. Okay, even 11th standard kid can happen. In fact, younger the better, senior the better. It works both ways. So it's a challenge for me, but I'll do it. Any prerequisite for the course? I'm not waiting. Our numbers are going up, but I'm not waiting. 7:30 means 7:30, right? There is no prerequisite for this course. Absolutely no. So you don't need a commerce background. You don't need anything. You have to just keep absorbing concepts, coming on chat, asking your questions. And finally, if you can apply the learnings, I'll be more than happy. So the seniors here who are in key management positions like Amol and others, please apply the learnings. Business owners, can you do it? I'll be happy. Future managers can note it. And I keep saying this. I want you to be industry ready. I want you to be industry ready. As simple as that. I think more than getting into companies, but I think of entrepreneurship. Okay. If those who are interested in entrepreneurship, you have ideas, please send me an Insta. I will send you. Thai Kerala is sponsoring an event where they are ready to fund good ideas. Okay. So money is available. Okay. You have a good idea. You should be trying entrepreneurship. Okay. So this is the first thing. I'll start with economic analysis. We will start with, I will take a pause and come to chat. We will start with Indian economy and we will discuss global economics. Very clear. आज के बाद syllabus change नहीं होगा. मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ. आज के बाद syllabus पे ही आगे जाएगा गाड़ी. Okay. So those who have come today, you have a right to tell me what I should do. Others will just join the flow. Okay. So concept of economic framework, GDP, we will discuss inflation, monetary policy, twin deficit of India. Right. And why is this important? Because if you are getting into business plan projections using lead indicators, lead means forecasting, then you should understand economic analysis. You should understand economic analysis. So it's a basis of any corporate finance decision. It is a basis of any corporate finance decision. Okay. So what am I going to cover? What I propose to cover is this. I will talk about Indian business and a lot of stupidity. I was discussing with respected seniors. They are saying Indian government has not done anything. Right? How will Indian government do anything? Right? Simple, no? They don't have the money. Germany has the money, they gave cash. Indian government does not have the money. So we will discuss this. Right? I think this a lot of fallacy has come in, that Indian government can do cash stimulus. Our rating will go down here. You will be junk status. So this is where at this entire course, and I was talking to respected sirs, and I was saying that premier institutes, these kids are speaking like this. It doesn't make sense at all. Indian government cannot do what the German government has done. So we need to understand why. Monetary policy we will discuss. We'll discuss repo, reverse repo, CRR, its effect on debt markets. Somebody like Harish sir, I will invite sir to speak so we can have that also. Right? Stimulus package, I will not discuss here. I will put videos which I've already done. So this I've already done. So I will just put the videos. I think Abhishek attended. This was done on a forum. I will upload it on Menon Mantras. YouTube channel is Menon Mantras. YouTube channel is Menon Mantras. Limitations of Government of India we will discuss. Understanding constraints like tax to GDP and importance of country rating. Very important. Country rating goes down, India story over. Okay. So we will discuss that also. Then we will also discuss about Euro. I will come to you all for your comments. We will discuss about Europe. I think that is a major crisis area today. So Europe is in deep shit. Portugal, PIG stands for Portugal, Ireland, Italy, Greece, and Spain. I will discuss this. Euro crisis, what is happening there? What is the fallout? India will definitely be affected. Brexit, we will discuss. Britain exit. Grexit and Jersit, we will discuss also, because I believe that is going to happen. Euro is going to collapse according to me. Okay, this is my interpretation. I will try and discuss that with you all. So what is its fallouts? Very important fallouts is FII, FDI flows will stop in India. That's the reason I want to discuss this. Then I would like to discuss about US. I will just talk a bit on subprime crisis, not much, but I'll focus on why US is important, FDI, FII flows, dollar as a universal currency. So we will devote 1 hour understanding US and why President Trump can play havoc with all of us. Very important. And finally, this rogue country we will discuss. China, right? Scoundrels of first order, right? How they fudge numbers, what is the trade war that they are doing, how they are trying to divert the attention by getting into military warfare, right? Why China needs exports to support. We will also talk about COVID, right? I don't normally use this word, but anyway, the challenging times, which is a new normal in economics. So this will finish my economic analysis. I'm going through it once again. I'm coming to chat. Would love to hear your comments. If valid, we will include. If I know, I will do it. If I don't know, I'll call somebody. Okay, this is what I am planning. Once. This is Europe. Love you all. This is US. And finally, this is China. So now I'm coming to chat. I would like to hear your comments and then freeze this. Krishna, where is chat? Here. Sir, please start your comments. Harish sir, Radhakrishnan sir, anything that you want to add? Krishna, where is chat? Screen share. Screen share. I'm stopping share and I'm coming to chat. 1 second. No, 1 second. You are going very fast for me. Why do we do China before? Okay, we can think about that. How rupee is affected. Very good, Bhavik. Very good comment. Rupee depreciation, we can talk about hedging. Yes, hey, there he is. The God himself has spoken. Moody has downgraded India. Thank you, Harish sir. Moody has downgraded India. His news. Radhakrishnan sir, thank you. Yes, Rahul, I'll be talking about hedging and about rupee movements. Right, and I'm going to call the forex person himself to talk. That is Harish sir. Right, Vivek sir, what are you saying? Okay, I will talk about junk status. Why we should not do it. Because Mohit Bete, I'll do it for you, but it will not be too much. But I'll do it for you. According to me, US will remain the global currency, Bete. Definitely. But I'll discuss that. Vardhat says import export effect on yes, rupee movements. I'll discuss. Harish sir, love you. Class, your first take for today. Okay. Basically, Moody's has downgraded India. I will talk about trade account deficit. Rahul, definitely. Bitcoin, I will not talk about. Crypto, I will not talk about. Very sorry. Hemanji, yes, I will talk a bit on digital products in banking. Fintech, I will talk. Yes, I will talk about hedging. Definitely. Definitely. Shall not here, bete. That will come later. No, now we are talking economics. Don't jump the batter, bete. You stick to the topic. Abhishek, yes, I will talk in liquidity in Indian markets. Crude and metal trades, I will talk about. This is good. Export agri products is very, very good. Who is this? Superb AK. Yes. Then I will also talk about crude and metal trades. Japan and Asian economy. Who is this? Yeah, Manish ji. Manish ji, oh, thank you very much. Definitely. Oh, he's a very senior person. Fintech, yes, bete. Fintech NBFCs, I'll talk. But economic analysis पे नहीं आएगा वो इस पे आएगा. Effect of falling oil prices, yes. Labor, yes. Abhishek, you're jumping the gun, bete. This is economic analysis. Company में मत आ bete अभी. Stimulus to labor, yes. Okay, that I will talk. Varun bete, this is industry analysis. Wait, industry analysis, Mohit bete, you're jumping. Mehul is good. Government policies in manufacturing, defense and space programs, agri-tech. And so can you unmute Harish sir? He has got something for all of us.
Sure, sir.
Hemanji, I'll talk about this. Harish sir, can you please talk about that downgrading? Service sector, government policy, okay, food packaging. I will talk about it, but I will not go specific, but I will talk about it. I hope it will not be specific. You yourself has put a question mark. Special economic
Sorry
zone.
for the interruption.
Banks ka I will talk.
Anil sir, is it Harish Menon?
Yes, it is dear Harish Menon.
Okay.
Yes, I will talk about exports definitely. Harish sir, your comments on that downgrade, please. Yes, Vikramji, I'll talk about consumption also. A lot of good points. Housing sector, I will talk, Kritika. God bless you. Definitely, I will talk affordable housing. Some points are valid, but not valid for economy.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir, for joining in. Can you throw some light on this Moody's, sir? Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, so they just a while back has downgraded India to Baa3 rating, which essentially means we are one level above what is called as the junk rating status. Now, the point to be noted is Moody's was always one notch higher than. So now all the rating agencies have come to the same level, which is one notch above junk, which means if any of the rating agency cuts our rating even once, India will officially go into junk status, which will happen after almost 18 years now. And that will affect our investments that is coming from the foreign investors, especially on the fixed income side. So that's my 2 cents, sir. Thank you so much.
So I am thankful to you, sir. Excuse me, class. I have noted all your points. Thank you very much. We stop economic analysis discussion. What Harish sir is saying is shocking. Enough, bete. I have noted down textiles, food, bas bete. Zyada mat karo, please. Sab nahi hoga, yaar. Right? Sir, bete, aisa mat karo, Rahul. Mohit, bete, I have noted. Okay, textile, supply chain, liquidity. Bas kar. Right? Abhi tum log na. Right? So please note, class, this is worrying. If you are going to be junk status, the India story is over. India story is over. Okay. Thank you, Harish sir. Very bad news. I'm again going back. Yes, China we will talk. Rudresh we will talk. Hidden debt. China is a scoundrel. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना publicly. इतना seniors के सामने मैं अगर बोल रहा हूँ scoundrel तो कुछ तो होगा ना. Right. Okay. Thank you. I'll continue now with your permission. Now we'll talk about industry analysis. Excuse me, no more requests will be entertained after today. So I've noted down housing sector, junk status, US liquidity, textiles, food exports. I will talk, right? And government policy, liquidity. Yes, sir. So now we go on to the next part. Industry analysis. So industry analysis, I will talk about the legendary, if this for me is God, he's God, right? He is God. And he talks about, basically, he talks about the Michael Porter's 5-force model. So we will talk about 5-force model. That's why some of you all said, na sir, ye industry baat kar sakta hai kya? I have selected 3 industries. I'll talk about that. Definitely, I will talk about that. Housing, textiles, food exports. I'll talk about that. I had textiles in mind because one of my dear mentees, Mr. Joseph Paul also wanted this, right? So I'll be doing textiles. Abhishek industry. So I also noted down food exports, housing sector. I will not talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in detail, but I'll give some idea. Okay. A POTUS 5 force model, we'll understand B2C, B2B. And this is where I thought we should also discuss B2G, business to government. Business to government will be very critical in this discussion because I think a lot of MSMEs will do business with B2G, business to government. And that's where we need this industry factors giving competitive edge. We will discuss that. Very good feedback from Moradian sir. He said I should discuss new age economies and shared economies. So your Uber, Ola, your Airbnb will discuss. We call it the gig models. So we will talk about new age economies because that's a new industry coming up. Scalability, right? We will also try and include there something about private equity. I'm noting it down. Private equity, what do they look at? Abhi's question, how do we grow? Scalability, profitability, sustainability. I'll either do it in industry or I will do it in, we will do it. Sorry, I'm not alone. We will do it in analysis. Then we will also talk about, wait, now this is my humble input in industry analysis. Anything else you require, please let me know. I'm back to chat. Yes, Bigyan sir, absolutely. I will talk about VUCA and the importance of innovation, definitely, sir. Right? Yes, we will discuss the negatives of 5 force model, definitely. I'll discuss that. हर्ष बेटे मेरे को समझता नहीं क्या है, ये इंडस्ट्री में नहीं आता ना बेटे, ये कंपनी में आता है. कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आकाश यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री वी कैन डिस्कस. नेगेटिव ऑफ POTUS 5 force. अंगद, हाय बच्चे. Yes, we will discuss. I had you in mind. And welcome bete. He owns Center Point group of hotels, Angad. So we will talk about tourism and hospitality industry. And can I just say one thing for all of you all? This boy today was at the railway station, Angad. So I was asking him what he was doing. He's giving food to migrants who are leaving Nagpur. That is my Angad. Thank you very much, bache. Then we will talk about white good industry. Some of you are coming with very specific requests. But it's sab thoda mehnat karna padega. Infrastructure, I will talk. Paints, I will talk a bit. Capital engineering. Oh, Prasad, hi, bache, hi. Capital engineering goods. And we will talk about commodity industries. Okay. I'm not getting points which you want. Like sir said, can we talk about VUCA model? आप लोग ऐसा कर रहे हो कि specific. How agriculture is changing? Okay. Agriculture impact. Consumer goods. ए बच्चे ऐसा मत करो. Inflation आ गया बेटे. Inflation राघव बेटे आ गया. Economic में. Gani is saying something and he will say government support. Okay. Gani will always make sense. Government support, NPS, derivatives. I don't know how I can discuss. If you want, I'll discuss. I'll get Harish in to discuss. Harish sir to come in and discuss. He is a master in derivatives. FPO, Sakshi. Okay. FPO is not here, bache. Retail industry. Yes, we will talk about Reliance and Facebook deals. Uski bhi aage nikal gaya. Yes, Mohit, this is a very good point. How to spot industry dynamics. Thank you, Vikram Bete. Thank you very much. Ishan, yes, manufacturing capabilities. And what I'll do is, I'll call the god of operations only for this class. Itna to hai bete, main bolunga to aayega. Changes in education industry, definitely. I will try and get somebody who talks about this. I don't know what he meant. So Vivek ke pehle kya likha मालूम नहीं. विवेक के पहले I don't know. साक्षी क्या लिखा है? फार्म ए क्या है बेटा? ऐसा सब आप लोग मस्ती कर रहे हो क्या? I can't read Hindi and all now. Government role in आत्मनिर्भर. Okay, वो मैं करता हूँ. Government role. बेटे कृतिका, you're slightly out of context बात कर रही है बेटे. IPO, FPO कंपनी में आता है रे बच्चे. Real estate हो गया, COVID हो गया, pharma, yes, we will talk about pharma exports. Government support to agriculture accepted. We are doing it. FMCG. Last 2 points, please. Veterinary industry, agriculture. Repo rates will be discussed, Nandan, when I do monetary policy. Commodity, yes. Hedging, foreign currency. Shanmuga, I think you missed it. I have already said yes to that. Right, Rahul, thank you, bache. Right, God bless you. Yes, I will be discussing food industry, hotels, not only for Angad, because Pita also told me. SME with government contract. Yes, SME का मैं एक पूरा SME benefits करके है. And if you want, you can talk to Abhishek Bihari. He's already working on that. Love him. He's a big shot, but he's all his suppliers are SMEs. So बच्चे ने एक presentation किया है SMEs के लिए. You can wait for me or talk to Abhishek. He's right here in the participant list. Take the number from me. Growth in insurance sector, big growth. That also we will discuss. I love that point on VUCA. बाकी सब ठीक है. Yes, this is good. RBI is very good. RBI's GDP projection. Where government money is going. Okay, I think we'll also talk where is it coming from also. Okay, then we will talk about where it is going. Right. Thank you, Mayor. That's the idea. And frankly, I am selfish. I don't know whether you have noticed. I am selfish. So when I do this, I feel good. So I don't feel negative. So actually, you people are helping me come out of a negative mindset. If we stop this discussion, we straight away go on to agriculture, right? Future of India story. Amit Shah. Sir, Amit Shah, आपको ही पता है यार, what is future of India story? Amit Shah, Narendra Modi himself knows. ये आप मेरे को क्या पूछ रहे हो? ये अमित शाह जो भी है, आप आ जाओ यार बात करने future of India. Right? मैं मस्ती कर रहा हूँ. Harish sir, there is one Amit Shah in this group. I don't know who it is, but anyway, we should be careful. God bless you. चलो. Future of India, बेटे, I can't predict. मेरे को नहीं मालूम. वो आपके ऊपर है. You all have to build a good India. Vigyan sir, Radhakrishan sir, Anil Menon's time is over. You have to build it. We can only guide you all. Okay. As Parimal sir says. चलो आगे. Love you all. ये हो गया इसका. Last part. इसमें तो बहुत suggestion आने वाला है. After today, portion will not change. Syllabus will not change. Huh? Whoever is coming later, I'm sorry, I have made it very clear. Today is the start. Wednesday, I'm starting the course. Gig model. This is Paul. Thank you. मेरा phone ला बेटे. इसमें 2-3. Now we go to company and firm analysis. We will talk about financial statement analysis. The God himself will come and talk about financial. Ranker CA will come. He's right there. Nature of costs. Right. George sir is asking, is it sponsored? Not sponsored, sir. No, not sponsored. He's my mentor, George sir. It is not sponsored. It's free, sir. Right. Nature of costs and identification of value drivers. You will love it. Okay. You will love it. Okay. What is a cost driver? What is a value driver? So for platinum industries, raw material is there, a cost driver. For me, investment banker, what do you call it? Personal cost, human cost is the value driver. Okay. So we'll talk about value driver. Cost driver is, sorry, for investment banking, human beings are the cost drivers. So we'll talk about segmental reporting. We will talk about that. 3 financial statements. I want more and more kids to come. And those who think you know it, now come. You will understand what I can deliver. And by the way, I'm an engineer. I'm not a chartered accountant ranker like Harish sir. I'm a simple engineer. You will love it, the way I do P&L, balance sheet, cash flow. Segmental analysis, we will discuss Pareto principle, 20-80 rules. Asset-light models, this is what my kid wanted. I've done it. Working capital techniques. Spelling is wrong? No, it's correct. This is Parimal sir's favorite. I have done that. And as Dr. Shrikant says, right, please teach them working capital. That is the most important. Okay. Key management ratios, we will discuss DuPont. I don't know if sir has joined, a very respected senior from Bangalore, Srinivasan sir. If he has joined, he has given me a good video on DuPont analysis. We will also talk about DCF models, discounted cash flow models. Abhi tension nahi lena, nahi suna hai to no problem. Please come or see my videos, right? Scalability and growth influences on valuations. Because some of you all young kids are looking at playing the valuation game. Okay, your seniors have given you the base. Now you want to go and approach a private equity venture capitalist. So I would like to discuss that. And it's a different ball game there. Basic principles of corporate finance, time value of money, risk and return, sensitivity factors, and very important, sensitivity factors. How many of us realize that COVID is coming? None of us. And today we are struggling. Today we are struggling. So that is the worst thing that we could do. Right? Some of you all said, na sir, can you discuss? Tabhi main bola tha ki it will come in company. Here it is. We call it sensitivity and scenario analysis. I will build Excel sheets with you all. Now, some of you all will be shocked. How can I do all this free of cost? You just come. That's all. And by the way, remember what I told you all. If something is given free, remember you are the product. Okay. So remember this dialogue always. Okay. Sensitivity factors and scenario analysis. Wait. Let's go straight here. Chat. Harish sir, I need your input, sir. All of you, I need your inputs. Portion is frozen. Management. Hey, hi, Ria. God bless you, bache. Transfer pricing. EVA analysis. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, we forgot that. EVA analysis. Leveraging debt. Yes, debt trap. Very good comment. Exponential growth. Yes. Growth dynamics. Yes, Jay Pate. Cash is king. We will discuss. I will discuss cash flow statement. In fact, my brother, Jay Shankar sir, he has prepared some good videos. Leveraging by Indian corporates. Yes. Harish sir, yes, absolutely. I will be talking on leverage and trading on equity. Absolutely, sir. I will also do, hello Madhavi ma'am, God bless you. Yes, I will talk about EVA and MVA. Perfect. Portfolio management, Rahul, ये course पे करूँ क्या? मुझे मालूम नहीं. I'll just write it down here. I'm not sure, बेटे. देखते हैं. चलो. Portfolio management. उसको we'll do it on Sundays, no? Portfolio management. Sunday is personal finance. Why confuse corporate finance with personal finance? So Rahul, bete, we will do this later. Portfolio management Sunday. 5 Sundays we will do portfolio management, personal finance. So इधर नहीं करेंगे. Cap up नहीं करूँगा श्रिया. श्रिया थोड़ा कैपअप वगैरह मत करिए बेटे. Don't make it a theoretical course. If you want, I can tell you what is CAPM, right? But मत करिए बेटे. Risk-free return and all that. Cycle analysis very good. Cycle analysis very good. Treasury management. Hey, my Akshay. Yes, absolutely. I will talk about treasury management. How to manage cash, and he's rolling in cash. That's why he's asking. Rascal is put a question mark also. Okay, listing of company will be done. Done. IPO will be done. Private equity will be done. Jay, yes. Thank you very much for joining in. CapEx management. Yes, it will be done. Zero debt benefit. I don't know if it's a benefit, but we'll discuss zero debt. Is it good or bad? I'm not sure it is benefit, but we'll discuss. VC funding kabhi karunga. VC funding karunga. Abhishek, yes. Yes. Buying and selling of stake. He's a listed company, so he knows that inside out. We'll talk about that. Cold trading, Mayank, मेरे को नहीं आता रे. I'll just write it down. If I get some speaker, I'll get it. मुझे मालूम नहीं. I'm not saying anything. Sarvesh, deriving fair stock price Sunday, not for corporate finance. Amit, super point, bete. Super point, Amit. MSME outstanding. Love you. He's the big supplier to Parle, my Amit Kalantri from Nagpur. Okay, and he's not an MSME. He's very, very big, but I think he wants to do it for his suppliers. Okay, one second. I think we're going slightly fast. Krishna, jara piche jana hai. 3 comment miss ho gaya mera. Wait. Please don't type. Eva, I said. Madhavi ma'am, and acknowledge. Health. मैं ले कर रहा हूँ बेटे. Private equity share dilution कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा, don't please come as anonymous. मजा नहीं आता है यार. सूरज करूँगा बेटे. I hope you have contacted Maharishi. MSME benefits outstanding करूँगा. Yes, I don't know if there is a best time for anything in life, but we will talk about valuation principles. I don't know better if there is a best time. I don't know, but I will talk about valuation principles, private equity, etc. Sure. Right now, I think I have not missed anybody. Company rating, yes, we will talk about company rating. You have given me very good points. Salary of promoter directors, I will not touch. Very controversial, right? I don't want to touch that, Manish. With your permission, sir. Going public, yes. Private equity, baat karunga Angad. Cash flow, making it. This I will do through an Excel sheet in front of you all, and I will analyze it. My promise, you will love it. Okay, Vaibhav, I will be doing cash flow and I'll be analyzing it in front of you all. Very good. What else? Kisha thoda help kar bete. Restructuring, MSME, yeah, debt ratings. Yes, I will talk. Restructuring, we will talk. Debt ratings. We are freezing the topics today. Taxation, yes, Hari sir. Taxation, we will definitely discuss, sir. Taxation, we will discuss, and we will discuss the new Companies Act. Okay, so where you can get that. I will not discuss, Rahul, P and PG ratio. I will do that on Sunday when I discuss personal finance, not in my corporate finance course, Rahul Bete, with your permission, but we'll discuss. Okay, when I do the Sunday personal finance thing. Own product marketing, very good. Variable cost, fixed costs. Variable cost, fixed costs. Okay. Debt ratings, I think I got all that I wanted. Improving CRISIL rating, yes, we will discuss. By the way, you should not go to CRISIL or CARE. You should go to a, right, you should go to a specific, SMERA. You should go to SMERA. Okay, Akshay load kar le bete, you should go to SMERA. For SMEs, that is the way to go. Can we cover operation strategies using financial analysis? I don't know. I will try. I will call Moradian sir himself. Let's see. Or I will call Hariharan sir. Acha, by the way, Hariharan sir also has given me a very wonderful input. He wants to talk about, he will come and talk about interdepartmental coordination and how you can measure, and he's God, how you can measure financial impact of your decisions. I sit through all his classes, right? Take permission. So of your decisions. So that will also be done. And sir has patented a small method, which he will come and present. Restructuring companies, yes. Dun and Bradstreet, yes. Vikram is responding. Hedging accounting नहीं करूँगा, राहुल मैं नहीं करूँगा. You can talk to अकाउंटिंग में नहीं कर सकता बेटे, आई एम सॉरी, बट वो गुरु उधर बैठा है हरीश सर, उनसे बात करो. ग्रेट्युटी वी विल डिस्कस. ओके, गुड इवनिंग. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू. टू बी फ्रीज. Thank you. I got what I wanted. Exactly half an hour. I got what I wanted. Okay. So today's intake, that's it. I've frozen, right? I've frozen. So now what will I like to discuss with you all before I end? Okay. I have half an hour with me. I have took half an hour your feedbacks. No requests will be entertained after today for the syllabus. Okay. So that's very clear. Sorry about this. I need to structure this. So what we will do is we will go across and we will use Excel. I want to show certain things to you all, right? So the syllabus is frozen. Some of you are going on typing. Bete main wapas nahi aa raha udhar. I'm starting Excel.